Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Square POS to sync online UI inventory step by step clearly. First, begin by logging into your Square POS account on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu located in the bottom left corner of the interface. Select the Account option from the menu options. Scroll down to find the Integrations section and click on it. Locate the Square Online integration listed among available options. Click on the Connect button next to the Square Online option. You will be prompted to log in to your Square Online account. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to your Square POS settings. Confirm the authorization request that appears on the screen. This will allow Square POS to sync with your online UI inventory. Next, navigate to the Inventory section within your Square POS. Verify that your products are correctly listed and matched with your online inventory. Adjust any discrepancies in product details, prices, or quantities as necessary. Return to the Integrations menu to monitor the syncing progress. You may need to manually refresh the page to see the latest updates. Once the sync is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Your online UI inventory is now authorized and synced with Square POS. Regularly check for updates to ensure synchronization remains accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.